Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about morning workouts and how they can help you kickstart your day with more energy while building muscle. If you're someone who struggles to feel energized in the morning, or you're looking for a way to maximize your fitness routine, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, effective morning workout plan that fits into your schedule and gets you moving. Let's dive in. Starting your day with a workout has so many benefits. For one, it gets your blood flowing and boosts your metabolism, helping you feel more awake and ready to tackle the day. Research shows that exercising in the morning increases endorphin levels, also known as feel-good hormones, which can improve your mood and keep you feeling positive throughout the day. Plus, getting your workout done in the morning means you're less likely to skip it due to unexpected distractions later on. Now, let's talk about the workout itself. The goal here is to combine dynamic movements to wake up your body with strength-building exercises to maximize your fitness results. This routine takes about 15 to 20 minutes and can be done at home or at the gym. Start with a quick warm-up to prepare your muscles and prevent injury. Spend about 3 to 5 minutes doing dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, or a light jog in place. This gets your heart rate up and your body ready for the workout. Next, move into the strength-building portion of the workout. Begin with bodyweight squats to activate your lower body. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your body as if sitting in a chair, and then push back up through your heels. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Squats are great for working your legs and glutes, while also engaging your core. After that, move on to push-ups to target your upper body. Get into a plank position, keep your body straight, and lower yourself until your chest is close to the ground, then push back up. If regular push-ups feel too challenging, modify them by dropping your knees. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next, let's focus on your core with a plank hold. Get into a forearm plank position and hold your body straight for 20 to 30 seconds. Planks are fantastic for building core strength and stability. As you get stronger, try to increase the hold time by a few seconds each session. Finish the workout with some dynamic cardio to boost your energy. High knees are a great choice. Stand tall, lift one knee toward your chest, then alternate legs as quickly as you can. Do this for 30 to 40 seconds, rest for a moment, and repeat for 3 rounds. This movement gets your heart rate up and gives you a quick burst of energy to carry into your day. After completing the workout, take a few minutes to cool down with static stretches. Stretch your hamstrings, quads, shoulders, and back to relax your muscles and improve flexibility. Don't rush this step. It's essential for recovery and will leave you feeling refreshed. If you're wondering how to make this a consistent habit, here are a few tips. First, lay out your workout clothes the night before to eliminate any excuses in the morning. Second, start small. Aim for just 2 or 3 sessions a week and gradually build up. Third, focus on how good you feel after the workout. Let that energy and positivity motivate you to keep going. To wrap things up, a morning workout is one of the best ways to start your day on a high note. It boosts your energy, helps you build muscle, and sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. With just 15 to 20 minutes, you can create a routine that supports your fitness goals and makes you feel amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on fitness and health. And let me know in the comments, are you a morning workout person, or do you prefer exercising later in the day? I'd love to hear from you. Take care, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.